Yeah, Sergio's taking forever. Hey! Oh, the poor little you. Dude, he was taking forever, bro.
I know. Hey, mejor te hubieras parqueado in the middle of the street, bro.
Alright, so before we start, I just want to let everyone know this is not my car, this is Sergio's car. Because everyone in the comments be congratulating me, but this is the man. Right here, maybe I wasn't specific in the video. Alright, I'll link his ass down.
We want to go pick up that
VTEC. Oh yeah, you got new tires too. Oh.
Oh, with lights, huh? Without lights, dude. Yeah.
Alright, so we just got flashed on. He ain't gonna do shit.
He ain't got nothing on me. I mean, well, he's a gang unit.
Register the fucking car yet. You haven't got a new DMV.
Neta? Bye, mama. I'll be back. So JT is driving my car for today. I didn't want to drive, so he's like, oh, let me drive. Fuck it. I don't mind. California girls. Down Harbor. So how you like my car?
It is better than the Cobra as far as driving ability.
What the fuck? Then let's trade then.
Fuck no, dude. The only reason why the Cobra sucks right now is because we can't get into gear. The clutch is fucked up.
I could get it 2 gear. I don't know about you.
I can't for shit. But yeah. And then we got the Gt500 up there, fucking chopping away.
Fucking those popcorns.
Yeah, hopefully we won't get pulled over. Knock on wood.
Knock on wood. This was fucking savage.
Yeah.
Fucking murder out the fucking Shelby already. It's all black out.
Breaking necks left and right.
Neta. My autograph.
Again.
Junior. Is it Junior? I think I'm yeah, Junior. I always forget his name or I can't pronounce it real good. So we're cruising down Harbor.
Cruising down Harbor in my 6'4". Docking the bitch. Slapping them all.
Hey, we're gonna get copyrighted.
Bruh.
That's just too fucking loud. I thought fucking Monzo's car was loud.
No, Monzo's car that sounds like a Prius.
Damn, boy Monzo. Hey, don't talk shit about Monzo, dude. He's not here to defend himself, but I'm here. Alright? But still, don't talk shit.
Fucking, you can catch his hands.
Fuck.
Where they at? Where they at, dude?
They already calling them. So, Sergio, my boy, he's gonna create a YouTube channel as well.
Yeah.
So they're gonna be JT and Sergio are gonna be basically what's it called? Collabing. So, and I think there's a cop in front of gonna turn.
Yeah. So turn off the light.
So if you see over there in the, that's a cop. Hopefully he doesn't do a UV. A Chicano fuck. Yeah, he better get in the fucking freeway.
Yeah. Tell him to hit the freeway as quick as possible. guys, so changing plans. We're actually going to a different spot. What just happened right now? Whoa. What just happened right now was there's a cop in front of us. We decided not to follow the cop, go somewhere else, because Sergio would have got pulled over for sure. We would have got pulled over for sure too. But yeah, now we're going to a different spot where they're hosting the meet, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, see you then.
He was like that. I was like, oh.
You got the Acura.
He was fucked up. Yeah, he was fucked out. It was so funny.
Let's go over there. Let's see what's popping over there. Shows them. Alright, what is up everyone? So we're pretty much done for today. It was a short meet. Wasn't nothing popping. We got some shitty service at Buffalo Wild Wings.
I'm fucking pissed.
Worst service.
Never go to Orange County. No. Is it Orange County? No.
No, it's Orange, the block.
Orange. Yeah,
Orange,
block, whatever.
if we want to be politically correct, is the outlet of Orange.
Never go there.
Yeah. So Sergio left already. He got to go to work. We got this 5.0. We got the twin turbo Camry.
It's not twin turbo.
Yes, it is.
Why you gotta lie to the people? Why you gotta lie? So yeah, so we're pretty much done. All right, I'll see you guys later. Take care. Watch the other videos. All right, thanks.